Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Make sure to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. So today I'm doing something a little different. Ella's in here. Say hi. And she loves sniffing. She has a really good nose, but today, as I said, I'm going to be doing something a little different. I got a box of clothes from Mercari. So yeah, I got a bunch of clothes and I'm gonna be unboxing them and trying them on. So let's get into the video. First thing I got is this. Okay, yeah, now I'm gonna try it on. Alright, just a sec. Okay, so this is my first top. A little big, but I'll grow into it. This is the back. It's not really my style either, as you guys can tell. What are you doing under my bed? She loves going under my bed. Here, let me show you guys. I'll show you her. Oh man, she's just so cute. Okay, so these clothes really need to wash. They're stinky. I don't like this. So this is my first top. Time for the next one. Next, I am going to try on this skirt. And this will be the only skirt I own now. I don't wear any skirts. I'm not that type of girl. I'm not a girly girl. I'm a tom girl. So let me try this on. Okay, so I got the skirt on. Not really my style either, but it'll have to do. I'll try and style it in a later video or something. It's like a little short for me, actually. No, it doesn't really seem that short. So this top just keeps falling down. All right, let me pick out another thing. So this top is from American Eagle, and this is from Shein. This is the back. Okay. This shirt is from Forever 21. I really hope this fits because it's so freaking cute. Okay. I'm gonna try it on now. Okay, so I got it on. It's a little short for me. I know my dad wouldn't like it, but oh well. I think it's made for people with bigger boobs, though. Okay. Let's see what I pick next out of the box. Oh, this is cute. Hollister. Okay, now I'm going to try it on. This is so freaking cute. Here, let me show you guys. Standing up. Now, this is actually a style. I'm not sure about the skirt, though. Okay, so this top is from Hollister. This one was from Forever 21. Now, I'm gonna try on the one I've been waiting for because it's so freaking cute! Okay. Maybe I'm going a little overboard. So this is Hollister. Again, I got a bunch of really nice clothes. Over 25 items for only $80, and they're pretty nice brands. So, okay, I'm gonna try this on now. OMG, I'm totally obsessed with this. And it makes my boobs look big. Or small. I don't know, but I think it makes them look big. That was so weird. Okay. So, this is the top. That was so weird. Okay, next, I'm gonna try on a pair of jean shorts because I'm tired of this skirt. Probably gonna like donate it or something because I just don't like it. I don't like skirts at all. And even if I did, this wouldn't be the type of skirt I like. So now these shorts are from Pascon. I don't know what size they are actually. Oh, they're mom shorts. Perfect. I'm not a huge fan of them, but it's better than this skirt from Pascon. No idea what size it is. all I knew was that they're all small, extra small, so I just hope these are my size because they're kind of cute, you know. Okay, I'm gonna try it on. Okay, these are the shorts. I don't really like how it looks on me, but you gotta do what you gotta do, right? Okay, I love how comfy they are though. Like, oh, it came with a Band-Aid. Ew. I'm gonna miss my trash can. Hang on a sec. Ugh. Okay, let's see. Oh, this is actually a cute style. They're not that short either. I thought they'd be shorter. But I feel like mom's shorts are always kind of longer than my style. Like my style's like right here. Like having it shorter. Without this. Alright, let me find out what shirt I'm gonna wear next. Okay. Why is my phone like that? Okay. Next, I'm gonna be trying on this top. So freaking cute. It's from Abercrombie and Fitch. I used to say Finch. When I say Fitch, because I know what it is. It's kind of like so freaking cute. Okay, let me try it on. Okay, I like it. It's kind of like loose in the strap area, but hang on a sec. Yeah, I can fix it. It's kind of tight in the boob area, though. Like, look how tight that is. There versus, oh well. It still feels kind of tight. The straps are loose, as you can tell. Okay, I'm gonna move my box. It's right here. Okay. Now, watch me pick a random item. My eyes closed. I found something. Oh no, not another skirt. Oh, I actually think this is one of the tank tops that I ordered. This is from Sugar Lips. Well, that's weird. I think it's actually gonna look kind of cute, like sexy look. I really just want to get this top off too because it's kind of tight with this thing. So I'm gonna have to loosen this. Otherwise, this shirt is so cute. Okay, let me try it on this one now. This is so sexy. I think I might have to change my bra though. Let me see if this has strap. Yeah, right there. So I'll be able to tighten that. Okay, next item out of the bin. Okay. Got my eyes closed, see? This one feels like it's silky. Maybe a pink or a white. Oh. This is something my dad would really hate. But I'm trying it on for you guys. And it's from Forever 21. So yeah. Okay, so got this one. I didn't zipper it. I didn't put the zipper on, but it's actually like super cute. Kind of short though on the sides. That's the back. So yeah. Okay. I'm gonna go down low because I really don't want you guys to see my bra because I'm not wearing a sports bra anymore. Okay. Okay. Oh, this is cute. Much better than the one I'm wearing right now. This is Abercrombie and Fitch. It's kind of short too. I think a 16-year-old had these clothes maybe. Oh, I mean, I'm only 11, but I'm taller than the average for women because average woman height. height for women is 5'6", and I'm already 5'7", and I'm not even 12 years. Yeah. So, right now it is 12, and my birthday's on the 30th of August. Sleepover party and pool party. My friends, I might film a little bit, like decorating and all that, but probably not much more. Cause I like to just have some time with my friends without filming. Okay. Oh, sure, you guys can see my bra. I don't like this bra. Okay, let me try this shirt on. Okay, so I got the shirt on. This is so cute. What's up? So you guys can see my face. This is such a cute outfit. God, I readjust my phone again. This is so freaking cute. Oh man, this is kind of tight though. I'm not gonna lie, like this neckline. And I didn't do the button up the back, but I think it still looks cute. Okay, next clothing. My eyes closed. Ooh, this cute yellow top. It's so cute. I wanted a top like this for so long, but I just couldn't find one. And if my dad knew what my mom ordered for me, he would kill me and my mom. So please don't tell him. Because I know some of you guys know him. Like Emma and Amelia and Brielle. Okay, so let's try this outfit on. I mean, top. Look at how cute this is! Oh my goodness. My boobs look big. I don't know why I keep talking about my boobs. I guess that's just a girl thing, I guess. But like, look at this design in the yellow. I never thought I'd actually look good in yellow. That looks like I'm like my boobs hanging down on this one. I think my pad just low something. And I got this thing on my neck. Pull it up. Okay. Next piece of clothing. I got my eye. Alright, let's try these jeans. Look like more mom jeans. Oh, still has a tag on it from when it was new. Ow. Good thing I got scissors in my room. Okay, there we go. Trash can. And trash can. Okay, so let's try these on. These are high-rise mom jeans, whatever you want to call them. There are two, so they might fit me better. I don't know what size these are. So I'm going to try these on. These are so cute. I'm going to try them on. So cute. This is like probably my favorite outfit ever. Like, bruh. How can you not say this cute? So, I just found out that this actually stretches a lot. This is from American Eagle, Wild Fable. Okay, show my shorts some more. These are so cute. Now let me pick another item, because this video is already probably pretty long. Gotta close my eyes. Turn the other way. Oh my goodness. This is totally my style. This is American Eagle. And you'll never believe what they labeled it. Soft and sexy. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this shirt off. Put this shirt on. Okay, so let's just, this shirt is so freaking easy to take off. But let's get back to the shirt. OMG, it's so freaking cute. It's soft and sexy. And with these shorts, hang on a sec, I gotta stand on my tippy toes. This is so freaking cute. it's like super stretchy and it's my style. It doesn't make me look fat. Okay. Love it. Next one. Check out this adorable top. Forever 21. It looks so freaking cute. Let's try it on. Oh my goodness. Forever 21, you've done it again. One of the cutest shirts on the planet, and it doesn't show that much of my bra. It is so cute. I love this. Here's the back. Okay. Next piece of clothing. I'm peeking. But I think I am going to try these shorts on. Oh. It's a skirt. You can see how my expression changed, but I mean, it is cute. Oh, that's not a skirt. Those are just very short high-rise jean shorts. I was like, oh no, not another skirt. But let me try it on. So that is the end of part 1. Make sure to stay until next week's video for part 2.